In this video, we will show you how to replace your front outer tie rod end on this Ford Fusion. This is part of your front steering and suspension located behind your front wheels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. After that, continue on to removing all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and we can get the wheel off of here. With the wheel out of the way, we can follow the steering knuckle across the outer tie rod end to where it connects to your inner tie rod end and your bellows boot area. In between the inner and the outer, you're going to find a 21mm jam nut. Go ahead and break this free. We only need to separate it from the outer tie rod end. Now we'll follow that outer tie rod end back towards the knuckle and the brakes here. You can see a 21mm mounting nut. Now we can start removing our 21mm nut that holds our outer tie rod end to the steering knuckle. It's common when removing this nut that the outer tie rod end stud spins in the knuckle. If that's the case, you could apply upward pressure. I'll just be using a pry bar. Alright, at this point this is nice and loose. I'm going to tap on the knuckle here, attempting to break this free. Once it does, we can remove the mounting nut from this area. Quick inspection, set it aside. We can pull the tie rod out of the knuckle, and now we'll continue on to unscrewing it from the inner tie rod end. While doing this, we're going to count the amount of turns it takes to remove it. 1, 2, and so on. There it is, friend. My application took 26 turns. Your results may vary. Go ahead and take that number down. Let's apply some anti-seize to the threaded area of the inner tie rod end. Now we can install our outer tie rod end. We're going to install this the same amount of rotations it took to remove it. All right, it started on. There's 1, 2, and so on. Install your mounting nut. Once you have that nut started on there, we'll snug it up and then torque it to 111 foot-pounds. It's time to tighten the jam nut. When doing this, it's a good idea to hold on to the outer tie rod end so it does not pivot on you while you continue tightening the jam nut. Now it's time to install our front wheel. We'll get this in place. Start on all 5 of our 19mm lug nuts. Once we have them bottomed out, get the wheel safely back on the ground and torque each of them to 100 foot-pounds. With the wheel safely back on the ground, we'll be torquing these in a crisscross manner to 100 foot-pounds. Now that you've finished the installation, get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.